Hello, this is the last video of the Metasploitable tutorial. Thank you if you watched all the videos. I just wanted to explain real quick these final ports that we have here in our initial Nmap scan. These are all associated with NFS, and so there's not really anything we can do with them. They were associated with a previous video with the NFS and the RPC bind. Anyway, thanks for watching the series. If you have, I hope that this has helped you out. Again, any of these services, if there are other exploits or other ways that you've found to get information out of these different services, please share it in the comments. Please share it in our Discord. The link to the Discord will be in the description. And yeah, help each other learn. That's kind of what this whole thing is about, is helping each other learn this kind of stuff. In this Metasploitable virtual machine, there is also some vulnerable web apps. I'm thinking about doing a series on that as well, but that is something that I personally will have to brush up on. So if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments as well. Thank you.